Welcome to our channel. Today we'll show you how to install Apple TV Plus on your Xbox Series X, step by step. This guide will help you stream your favorite Apple originals, movies, and TV shows directly on your console. Step 1. Turn on your Xbox Series X. Make sure your Xbox Series X is powered on and connected to a stable Wi-Fi network. Use your controller to navigate to the home screen. Step 2. Open the Microsoft Store. From the home screen, scroll to My Games and Apps and select Microsoft Store. This is where you can find and download all available apps for your Xbox. Step 3. Search for Apple TV. In the search bar, type Apple TV. Make sure to choose the official Apple TV app from the search results. Step 4. Install the app. Click Get or Install to download Apple TV Plus on your Xbox Series X. The installation usually takes a few minutes depending on your internet speed. Step 5. Open Apple TV Plus. Once installed, select Launch to open the app. You can also access it later from My Games and Apps, Apps. Step 6. Sign in or subscribe. If you already have an Apple ID with an Apple TV Plus subscription, enter your email and password to sign in. If not, follow the on-screen instructions to create an Apple ID and subscribe. Step 7. Start streaming. Once signed in, browse Apple originals, movies, and TV shows. Use your Xbox controller to navigate, select content, and control playback. And that's it. Apple TV Plus is now ready on your Xbox Series X, giving you access to hours of premium content. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our step-by-step tutorials.